If you want to make $700 per hour by 6 high-paying platforms, then you better watch this video until the end. Platform number 1. Respondent.io. The first platform I want to highlight is one I frequently recommend, Respondent. This platform consistently delivers results, as evidenced by the payment confirmations I receive for surveys and research studies I recommend. Over time, I've accumulated hundreds of dollars in referral bonuses. Imagine the potential earnings if I promoted it more often. Essentially, whenever someone uses my link, I earn a bonus when they get paid. I can confidently say the Respondent is legitimate, based on my own experience. In the past, I used it to complete jobs and earn money directly. While I've since moved on to other ventures, I still recommend it as a viable way to make money. You don't need my affiliate link to join. You can sign up directly on the Respondent website. Here's a glimpse of my Respondent dashboard, where jobs tailored to my profile appear. You'll find opportunities ranging from $50 to $700 per hour, with most falling between $100 and $700. A strong profile is essential to accessing higher-paying studies. Payments are processed through PayPal, making it convenient and reliable. To get started, search for Respondent online. I recommend signing up with LinkedIn, as it makes it easier to create a detailed profile similar to your resume. A well-crafted profile, including your qualifications, professional details, and demographics, greatly influences the quality of opportunities you'll receive. If you're not ready to invest time in building a comprehensive profile, this platform may not be for you. After setting up your profile, browse the dashboard to find studies that match your qualifications. Keep in mind that you may need to apply for 5 to 20 studies to secure 1 to 3 opportunities. Think of it as a job application process. Success requires persistence. Act quickly when new opportunities arise, as competition can be intense. As for Respondent's credibility, it's a trusted platform used by researchers from leading companies and universities. While opportunities can be competitive, following these tips will improve your chances of success. With persistence and attention to detail, you can earn substantial money from surveys and research studies, all from the comfort of your home. Platform number 2, User Interviews. The second high-paying survey or research platform is User Interviews, where you can earn between $50 and $200 per hour. Payments are made through Amazon gift cards or PayPal. To get started, visit userinterviews.com, create a profile, and apply for studies that match your qualifications. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to check frequently for new study opportunities and provide accurate demographic information to improve your chances of qualifying for targeted research. This platform is highly regarded for connecting participants with a wide range of research studies and is trusted by top brands and researchers. Platform number 3, focusgroup.com. Another platform worth mentioning, based on positive feedback from members who have used it successfully, is focusgroup.com. With earning potential reaching up to $200 per study, this platform offers payment through prepaid Visa cards or checks. To get started, simply register on their website, complete a detailed profile, and apply for studies. If your application is accepted, you can participate and earn money. The platform supports both online and in-person sessions depending on your location, which increases your opportunities to participate. It's important to understand that earnings may vary based on your location. For instance, participants in countries like the US, Canada, or the UK often earn more for the same survey than those in regions such as Ghana or Jamaica due to market targeting differences. As for legitimacy, focusgroup.com is operated by a reputable market research company known for conducting both in-person and online focus groups. Payments are typically processed using prepaid cards or checks. Platform number 4, Prolific. The next platform is Prolific, offering an average earning potential of approximately $14 per hour, though this amount may vary based on your location. Payments are made through PayPal, and you can register at prolific.com. To improve your chances of qualifying for relevant studies, ensure that you complete the demographic questionnaires with accurate and detailed information. The more precise your responses, the better your chances of being matched to suitable studies and maximizing your earnings. It's also a good idea to log in frequently to access new studies as soon as they become available. Academic surveys, which are often brief and easy to complete, can be a great option to boost your income. Prolific is highly regarded, especially in the field of academic research, and is a popular choice among universities for conducting studies. Platform number 5, dscout.com. Next on the list is dscout, a platform I've mentioned before, which compensates users for participating in surveys or research studies, known as missions. Earnings can vary, with some users making up to $100 per mission. Payments are processed via PayPal. To get started, download the app from dscout.com, set up a profile, and apply for available missions. If accepted, ensure that you follow the instructions carefully to maximize your earnings. Providing detailed and thoughtful responses is essential to qualify for higher-paying studies. dscout is reputable for qualitative research, including diary studies, and often features projects from well-known brands. Platform number 6, usertesting.com. The platform User Testing has proven to be effective. As a busy person, you can earn about $250 weekly by spending 1 to 2 hours for 3 to 4 days a week on the platform. On User Testing, you can earn $10 for a 20-minute test, with live interviews offering even higher pay. Payments are processed via PayPal. To get started, visit usertesting.com, complete a sample test to qualify for paid ones, and be sure to respond quickly to test invitations. It's important to work in a quiet, professional environment, especially during live interviews, which often don't require you to appear on camera, but do require a distraction-free setting. User Testing is well regarded by top brands for consumer feedback and is known for its credibility in user experience testing. For the best results, ensure you have a reliable internet connection, particularly for live tests, and always provide honest and thoughtful feedback. So in this video, you have learned the 6 high-paying platforms. These are Respondent.io, User Interviews, Focusgroup.com, Prolific, dscout.com, UserTesting.com. These survey and research platforms provide great opportunities to earn extra income, with potential payouts ranging from $50 to $700 per hour depending on the platform and your profile. By completing detailed profiles, applying for relevant studies, and staying active, you can maximize your earnings. Remember to use secure payment methods like PayPal, avoid platforms that require upfront fees, and always conduct your own research to verify legitimacy. These platforms, when used effectively, can turn your free time into a steady source of income. Now let me hear your thoughts. If you could choose any of these platforms to start earning from, which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So, curious to know how to make money online with a digital bundle? We'll talk about that in the next video. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.